Hey, what the hell's going on, you guys? It's Super Play NegativeAE, and welcome to Tuba's Toast Techniques. It's not exactly cooking with Tuba, but I thought toast was a pretty good place to start. So this is me cooking toast. It's not very interesting. I start with two pieces of bread here. This is my toaster. Just walking you through what's in my mind right now and how I make toast usually. Is I usually just figure out how long or how much I want the toast to be cooked, and then I cook it for that long. As you can see, my toaster is very messy. Don't judge. Not not that bad. I do have to clean it though. So we're just gonna start with one toast because I'm gonna do something special with the other toast. So I've had a couple toasters, and each of them have had this little dial thing, and this little black toast. Um, and I you never want to put it past the black toast, because if it's past the black toast, that means it's gonna burn and be as black as that black toast, and I don't want that. I want it like midway between the black toast and the normal toast, for a perfect toast, whatever. So while that one's toasting, we're waiting for it to be done. I'm gonna do something a little bit special with this toast. I'm gonna cut the crust off of it. I know my siblings don't like crust off of or on their bread, so might as well just take it off before you toast it. Um, Now I'm cutting like a freaking caveman right now because I have to hold the camera in one hand and I don't have like a stand or anything for it, or like a tripod that I can like sit it up and point it at my shit. I have to use one hand to cut the knife, or to cut the bread. So if you're at home and you're trying to cut the crust off of your bread, please cut it off like a normal person and not like a Neanderthal. So you don't look like an idiot while you're making toast, like I did here. But yeah, I don't know if we would always like cook the toast and then they would take it off after the toast was done. But you might as well just take it off before you toast it. Tuba's toast techniques, little secret. So skip ahead. The toast is done. Um, it's a perfect color of toastness. Although you can, I mean, there's different types of toast, right? Like you can like have whatever you want. Don't ever take it out like that. Use safety equipment because it's hot. The toaster oven is always hot. Don't touch it with your bare hands. All right, so I have the butter right next to me, as you can see. So I'm gonna try and get some of the butter and butter my toast. But I quickly realized that that is a problem because I'm also holding a camera as well as trying to butter a piece of toast. Which usually you want to hold the toast and butter the toast that way. But since I'm kind of working with not a lot of hands here, I realized that the most I can do is smack the bread. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down and skip ahead a little bit. So when it's already done, hooray! That took longer than expected because I had to hold the camera. But the good news is that we have our toast cooking in the oven. So we're gonna skip ahead to when that is done. It is. It's nice and toasted. So you can go ahead and put the butter on it, ASAP, and then I'm gonna skip ahead until that's done. And there you have it. That's Tuba's toast techniques. I know this is a weird video, but it was requested by one of my viewers on a Twitch stream, to do a cooking with Tuba, and I figured that toast, like a toast thing, would be a good place to start. They also helped me figure out what I should be cooking. They were like actively involved in the process of uh, getting a cooking with Tuba episode started. So here it is. I don't know if it's the last episode or if there'll be any more of this. This is just a video to please one of my viewers. So I hope to see you guys in the next episode, whatever that may be. And peace out, you guys.